We're directly below Second Lake, and it is flooding. From everywhere. I love how Seth nearly got in a wreck.
Yeah.
Did you see Seth almost get in a wreck?
Here, here's Kendall now. Hold on. It's Marvin.
Hello? Not much. What's up? I don't know yet. We just found out the rehearsal's at Chamois. How's Marvin calling me?
Couldn't get a hold of it, probably.
I think that tree went across. That tree's gonna fuck shit up.
You should probably drive to that side, please.
Did you see Seth almost wreck?
Was that him?
Yeah.
What the hell's he doing?
I think that was Ashley that we passed first, and he was the last one getting out of there. This thing records beautiful while driving, honestly. I'd use some front somewhere. It helps if you have a wider view. Crazy.